What's going on, gang? So we are back in the shop today. We got this charger that we are working on. Customer brought it in, had a couple of little areas that needed to be taken care of, chip and paint, stuff like that, all along the rear bumper, honestly all around the whole car. So we're having to sand that down. Some areas I can't fix, like holes in the trunk and stuff, said just to wrap over it. So that's what we're going to be doing. But we got pretty much everything disassembled. It is going to be going in this color shift color. It's like blue to purple, and then we got the carbon fiber hood on here already. Just got to finish up the rest of the car. I got 2 days to do this. Bumper will not be getting wrapped because the wrap does not stick to it right now, so he has to get that painted and come back. Without further delay, let's go ahead and hop right into it.
Yeah, that's why I never wore like jewelry or chains and shit. I was just like, I don't care. Gotta get you some of that Pingu coin, man. Come on, man. Pingu. That's where real money at. Fuck Bitcoin.
All right, gang, so that wraps it up on this one. If you like content like this, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and then subscribe. Stay tuned because I got another charger literally getting dropped off tomorrow for a weekend wrap, and we're going to be doing somewhat of the same thing on that car. So I'll be putting that video out Sunday. See y'all soon.